Hi and welcome back to our course on SolidWorks for beginners. In this lecture, we are going to learn how to improve the appearance of a part in SolidWorks. The main aim of computer-aided design is to create a close-to-reality visualization of the actual product on a computer. This can be done by applying color and material on the part body. So first we will change the color of this body that we created in the last lecture. Here we can find the Edit Appearance icon. Just click it. And a window will open. Here the part is selected. Now we will choose a color. Let's choose red. See, orange, yellow, blue, green, black. This is how we color the entire part. Now let's see how we can color individual faces of the part. Select a color and click on the face you want to paint using that color. You can choose any color you wish from this panel. You can also drag the RGB scales to change the color. Now if you want to change the color of separate bodies, instead of the entire part, click on the fourth option, Select Bodies. First clear all the selections. Now go to Select Bodies, and select the first body. If you want to select two bodies, you can click on another one and it will change the color of both bodies. There is another option, Select Features. We will see this one later. Clear all selections and click on OK. We have seen how to change the color. Now we will learn how to add material. Click on the Appearance icon in the right panel. Now under Appearance, if you expand it, you can see many materials like plastic, metals, painted, rubber, glass. Let's check plastic materials. Plastic is categorized by the quality of surface finish rather than the exact grade of material. Click on any one, and select a surface. Or if you want the entire body, drag and select it. Now select the color you want to add to it. Select one face and add a separate color to it, let's say yellow. Select all the other faces. And, add blue color. Now let's look at the metals. Select the whole part. Go to Appearance, and choose Chromium Plate. Click on these surfaces also, and add the same effect. You can try and add different materials on different bodies and check the results. This is how you modify the appearance of a part by changing its color and material. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in the next one.